Alright, y'all, so I got y'all boy with a hood off POV, man. Let me put on my seatbelt real quick. Hood off POV. As you can tell, got hood off POV. But look at 12 right there. That's definitely 12, y'all boy. He definitely looking. He definitely looking. He definitely was looking, y'all boy. But yeah, I got the hood off on the cap, man. As y'all can tell, I got a different intake. Y'all don't see that 𝗲𝗏𝗾𝗃 there no more, but I got a different intake on here now, so I got the windows down, so I'm trying to see. Look at that boy looking. Yeah, I know y'all see that boy silent. Like, hood off of the cap, but you get all type of attention, I'm telling you. Me up it a little bit. God, oh, you hearing that thing? I see why people take their head off on their cats. You hearing that thing, bro?
Front K-band.
God dang. You hearing a freaking supercharger, boy? I'm telling y'all, bro, that supercharger noise do not get old, bro. If y'all can get y'all a cat, go ahead and get y'all a cat, bro. I'm telling you all you can. Listen to how loud, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this don't may sound. I think it sound better than the 𝗲𝗏𝗾𝗃, bro. God. This junk sounds so crazy. And I know y'all hearing the wind right now, y'all. My fault. But I'm trying to let y'all really listen to this thing. This don't sound nasty, boy.
Auto mute memory.
This don't sound so, man. Boy, if you haven't been in the cat with the hood off, I advise you right now, bro. Listen to how it sounds so crisp, too. It sounds so crisp and sounds so good, bro. Like, the hood is off. Look, the hood is off. Let me give y'all some revs. This don't sound crazy. But I'll turn the jump back on once we get from off this light, man. As you can tell, it is red. So jump sounds so good, bro. Hood off. Listen to, bro. This jump is loud in person, bro. This jump is loud in person, y'all, boy. I'm telling y'all. This jump is stupid loud. I don't gonna lie, this jump sound louder than the 𝒙𝗡𝗏𝗏𝒀𝒀. I just gonna have to say it. I just gonna have to say it, man. I think it sounds louder and better than the 𝒙𝗏𝗏𝗀𝒀𝒀, bro. This jump sounds so, man. I can't make this up. I can't make this up, bro. But yeah, I would go in the trenches and slide every corner I see with the hood off, bro. I know we're gonna get a lot of reactions. So y'all boys, let me know if y'all want to see that. And let's get this video to 30 likes, man. 30 likes. I'm about to go to the Dunkin Donuts right here in a minute. I'm about to go to Dunkin Donuts. Where is Dunkin Donuts at? I'm tripping. I think I'm nowhere by Dunkin Donuts. But I'm about to be going to Dunkin Donuts, man. I think I'm about to go try to give me a little breakfast or something like that to start my day. Start my day, man. You know what I mean? It's damn near already 12:30. 12:30, man. You know what I mean? We in the 707 mode. Oh, I'm touching the wrong things, man. But yeah, we in the 707 mode, track mode. No, I'm in my custom mode right now, but you know what I mean? Traction off, bro. Traction off, bro. You know what I mean? So, you know, this thing can get sideways, man. No kizzy cap. You know what I mean? But I gotta figure out what the heck is Dunkin Donuts at. I thought Dunkin Donuts was somewhere near. But yeah, look, I'm gonna go ahead and find Dunkin Donuts, man. But yeah, let's get this video to 40 plus likes. No, let's get this video to, I know y'all gonna break it, but let's get this video to 20 plus likes if y'all wanna see me slide every corner I see in a hood. But I'm gonna have the hood off. As y'all can tell, y'all can hear it, bro. So I'm gonna get some outside footage and all, man. But yeah, y'all already know, man. It's the one and only, man. It's the HemiTwinz. Roll to 100K, man. Roll to 100K, man. You know what I mean? It's the one and only. It's the HemiTwinz, and we are out.